Hello everyone, I am Srijon Chakraborty and this is the second part of the Java access modifier tutorial. In last tutorial we have learned about private access modifier and the public access modifier. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the default access modifier and the protected access modifier. For the default access modifier, let's consider a variable called int flag equals to 0. Here we can see that we haven't declared any access modifier for this variable, so it has a default access modifier. Now let's consider a method for default access modifier. So let's copy and paste that method and remove the public. Okay, void my new call 1. Okay, so we can see that this method has no access modifier declared, so it has a default access modifier. One more thing about a default access modifier, you can declare your class as a default class and you can also declare your class as a public class. For example, we have declared the class Java class as a public, but you can also declare, you can remove that public word. Okay, for testing purpose, let's declare a default class in the class Java file. Let's say class DAM and the body. A default access modifier is a kind of a modifier that allows the scope of that class can be used in this package. For example, here you can see the test Java is the package name. You can use that class inside this package, but when you are trying to access that class which is declared as a default class, actually you can't do that. Let's create a new package and let's create a Java file called test default Java, and let's type public static void main string array and the argument. Okay, let's try to create the DMA class object. Oh, it got an error. So remember, the class DMA is inside the test Java package and the test default class is in the new package. So let's import the test Java package first. Okay, we have imported. So still it has an error because DMA is not a public class. So let's see what is the effect of the default access modifier in the variable and the method. For this, let's create an instance of class Java, what is named as a CJ, and we have a default method is void my new call 1, which has the default access modifier. So we can't see that we can't access that method. You can see the my new call, but we can't see the my new call 1 method. So we can't access that method, and we can't also access that variable in the same way because it's not in the same package. For testing this thing, let's come inside the package of test Java class and the math class test Java and try to call the method my new call 1, and here it is, cj.mynewCall is done because it's under the same package, both of the methods. Now let's talk about the protected method. For first thing, we can't declare a class as a protected. So let's type protected class. It got an error. So we can declare a class as a protected, so it should be public. Protected access modifier can use for variables and the method. For this, let's consider a variable integer protected. Okay, so we have a variable named integer variable named protect is protected, and let's declare a method. So let's as a protected. Let's change the name my new call to, and change the text and type the access modifier in front of the void. Okay, it is a protected method now. So we can access the protected method from the same package, but we can't access the protected method from the different package. So let's see that in the same package cj.protect. So we can access the protected variable from the same package, and let's see what happened for the method cj.myNewCall2. So we can't access the protected method from the same package. Okay, now let's do it for the different package. If you want to access that method from the different package, then you have to declare, let's make it class for this test. Okay, let's Java class protected access. Okay, and let's copy and paste the public static void main. Okay, and let's import the package. Okay, and one more thing, you have to extend the class where the variable and the method are exist. And the protected method. Okay, let's declare a instance of class Java. Okay, Java space new class Java. So we have declared the instance of class Java. Let's see, can we access the method, protected method? No, we can't. So it's hiding from that package. Okay, we can't also access the variable too. To access that variable and the method, we have to declare the instance of protected access class. Let's protected access pa new protected access, and now we can see that pa dot we can access the variable of the protected. We can access the protected variable in the class name called class Java, and we also can access the method. Okay, let's be a method inside the class Java named myNewCall2, which is a protected method. So let's dot here. We can see that myNewCall, still there is no default method is seen by this class. So we have to use the protected method and the protected variable via this class. So thank you.